Hi, this is Alex with the Avalanche Center on January 3rd with a snowpack update for the mountains near Cooke City. Today, there's an avalanche warning and very dangerous avalanche conditions exist. Human-triggered and natural avalanches are likely. You should avoid travel in avalanche terrain and avalanche runout zones. This large avalanche broke last week after a last round of heavy snowfall. It's over 1,000 feet wide and 3 feet deep, breaking on a layer of buried surface hoar. This is the other part of that crown. This is a similar sized avalanche that occurred around that same time. Yesterday, I was out and saw a few avalanches that were not as big as those, but big enough to bury or injure a person, about 2 to 3 feet deep, breaking within the recent snow that has fallen. There's been 3 to 4 feet of snow over the last 10 days. In this graph of snow water equivalent at the Fisher Creek Snowtell site for the season, you can see the last 10 days there circled in red, or about the last 10 days. And that steep spike there is what preceded those last large avalanches. And you can see at the end there, we are starting to steeply climb again. And what we are expecting more large avalanches. The winds have been light from the southwest, west, and northwest. So that is helping to not decrease stability, but the heavy snowfall is enough weight alone to cause concern. On the left here, we have a snow pit that was dug on December 10th, showing the buried layer of surface hoar, only a few inches deep, as that gray stripe. And yesterday, this snow pit was dug on the right there, was dug on the southwest facing slope. So the overall snow depth is probably a little less than average, but it shows how much of a thick slab is sitting over that weak layer now. Heavy snowfall is supposed to continue today with 4 to 6 inches more through the weekend, and light wind is forecast to continue as well. And then there's chances for snow through the next week. Today, the avalanche danger is high. Large human-triggered and natural avalanches are likely, and these can be triggered from flatter terrain connected to steep slopes, such as flat runout zones below. Through the weekend, danger will stay high or considerable. In either way, you should avoid travel on and underneath slopes steeper than 30 degrees this weekend to avoid triggering large avalanches. Everyone in your group should carry avalanche rescue gear and know how to use it. This includes a beacon, shovel, and probe. And stay tuned to the avalanche forecast every day at mtavalanche.com for the most up-to-date conditions. If you're in the Cooke City area, any weekend through March, on Friday nights, we have a current conditions discussion and basic avalanche awareness talk at the Antlers Lodge at 7 p.m. And on Saturdays at the Round Lake Warming Hut, we have an instructor between 10 and 2 p.m. waiting to chat about current conditions or do beacon practice. So stop by for 15, 20 minutes and practice with your rescue gear. Thanks for checking in this week. Have a fun weekend and stay safe out there.